So I was on a road trip, and first gas stop, I opened the fuel door, and when I did, I heard this ka-twing kind of sound, and the door is broken. Apparently, this is fairly common, which I think is weird, because I looked up, okay, what do I do about this? And I found a couple forum articles that was like, oh yeah, happens all the time. So, all right, so I'll show you how to fix it. This insert goes in from the outside, kind of curls and goes backwards, and it's mounted up here with some tabs. So there's some little, you see some little slots here that are covered up. They don't have the holes cut out, but there's a tab in there, and you've got to puncture that. With something like a screwdriver or there it goes. Oh man, it's been pouring all day, and now everything in here is soaking wet. Well, whoever had this truck before me did some mudding. This inside of this is filthy. Goes. Look at that. Gross. So let's see what broke here. The arm did from the spring, from this piece here. Okay. So then this comes off. You pull that tab up with like a screwdriver or a pick tool or something. And this should just slide off the front like that, yep. So it just has these clips. And then right here in the middle is where that lever clicks on. So, ditch that. We'll put this on last, actually. Put this one in. You just gotta, I don't have, this is a gas one, not a diesel, so I don't have this is where the def insert would be. So I'm just gonna get it around the fill neck. There it goes. Click in. It's not clicked in. Click in. Thank you. There we go. Put our door back on, clean that up later after it stops raining. We'll give it a little girl a bath here. There. Cool. That's it. Easy peasy. 5-minute job. Another easy one. Hopefully I don't have to do this too often, but I've heard of people having to do this multiple times. Cheap plastic stuff, you know, but not terribly hard to replace. I'm trying to remember what this was. I think it was around 30 bucks on Amazon. I'll put a link down below to it. You can get them a lot of places, but Amazon will get you free shipping. So anyway, thanks for watching. See you next time.